Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you guys a simple forex trading strategy that you can use to grow your small account, guys. So guys, in this strategy I used indicator, and I'm going to show you the indicator used for this strategy, guys, before we continue. So guys, let's go to our indicator setting. Guys, we add our moving average. We have moving average 70, guys. We have moving average period 70, shift 0, simple close, style, any color of your choice. Guys, you click done. The second strategy here, we use Bollinger Band. Guys, you all know, if you have been watching my video, you will know this Bollinger Band. Guys, I use period 10, deviation 1.000, shift 0, apply to close, guys, not high. Apply to close, guys. You click done. So guys, the next indicator used here, we use RSI, relative strength index, guys, on our window one, guys. We have period 40, typical price, style 3 pixel, any color of your choice, guys. Our level, we have 90, we have 10, and we have 50. You click done. So guys, here are the indicators we used here. So let's go back. Here are the indicators that we use in trading this strategy. So guys, I'll show you guys our requirements before you enter your trade, guys. So guys, if you are trading this strategy, if you want to grow your small account, so the first thing you have to wait is your moving average has to be above your Bollinger Band and candlestick if you want to sell. And when you want to buy, your moving average will be below. It will be, when you want to buy, your moving average will be below the Bollinger Band and your candlestick. Make sure that your Bollinger Band is not touching the moving average and your candlestick is not touching this moving average before you enter your trade. The second one is your RSI. Guys, when you see that your moving average is not touching all these things, so what you will now be looking for now is your RSI. Okay guys, here is one good one for buy. Guys, your RSI will touch 50 level. As you can see now, your moving average is below. It's not touching any of this, guys. It's not touching any of this. It's below. So what you will now wait for is for your RSI to start going up. When it starts going up, you will see that your buy is going. Then you will buy, guys. You will buy and make profit. You leave the market. Guys, this one is for buy. Let me check for sale. Guys, let me check if we can see a very good one for sale. Guys, you can see this strategy for buy. You can see it for sale. Guys, here is another one for sale. Here is another one. Our RSI touched the 50 level here. It touched the 50 level, is coming down, and when it's coming down, that is when you will enter your trade. Not immediately it touch the 50 level you will enter. No, you wait for it to come down below the 50 level, then you will enter for a sale. Then you can see it now. Our Bollinger Band and our candlestick is not touching the moving average. Then you will enter for sale. You take some profit, you leave the market, guys. It's very simple, guys. This is very simple strategy that you can use to trade any account, any account. If you have your $5 account, this strategy can go for you, guys. So as you can see, the trade I entered there, I enter it because volatility 75 is buying. So that's why when I went to my 1 hour time frame, I checked it, it was buying. My 15-minute time frame, it was buying. So I have to enter for buy. I didn't wait for this condition to meet before I enter for the buy. And as you can see, the buy is doing well. So guys, but you as a beginner, you have to wait for all these conditions to meet before you enter a trade, so that you will not lose your money. You will not lose your money, guys. So guys, this is, let's check again, guys. Let's check. Guys, this strategy is very powerful, guys. Very, very powerful. If you can have the patience to wait for this condition to meet, it's very powerful, guys. See another condition here, guys. This condition now is for buy. This condition, sorry, this condition here is for buy, guys. As you can see, our RSI touch started going up. Guys, you enter for buy, guys. You enter for buy. It come down again, it still touch, it started going up. Guys, you enter for the second one. You make sure you buy, because our condition met. Our moving average is below. So this buy, you can buy without no fear, guys. You can buy without no fear. So guys, I think this video today will be very short. Guys, my name is Blessing, BBFS Trading Strategy, guys. In case if you have not subscribed to my channel and you are watching this video right now, please let me wait for you to do the right by subscribing to this channel, guys. Let's move this channel to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you guys so much for your love, for supporting me by subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it. I do not take that for granted. Thank you. So guys, see another one. This one, guys, this one makes sense. Die. See now, guys, see now. See now, see now, you take without no fear, guys. You take without no fear. This is just a very simple strategy that I want to drop for you guys today. Thank you guys for always coming back. See you guys on my next video. Bye.